Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best power washers for driveways, chosen for their sheer cleaning force, how well they hold up, how easy they are to actually use, and which ones make sense for your wallet. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Let's start with the Westinghouse WPX3200. This is one of those electric power washers that just feels right for home use. It doesn't try to look overly aggressive. The design is super compact and lightweight at 16.5 inches tall and only 19 pounds. Plus, it has 4 quick lock wheels with a 360-degree steering design and a low center of gravity, engineered for anti-tipping, which is pretty clever. Inside, it delivers 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, and you're getting a 20-ounce onboard soap tank. It also comes with a pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand and a 5-nozzle set. What makes this interesting is the pump automatically stops when the trigger isn't engaged, which conserves energy and helps the pump last longer. Users report it's surprisingly quiet for its power. Customers consistently praise its easy assembly and maneuverability. Many say it's perfect for home use, handling everything from patio furniture to driveways with no drama. At around $169, this is a very safe and smart pick for electric power. Now, if you need something with more raw power, maybe a gas-powered option, then we look at the SIMPSON CM61083. It's a more traditional power washer, built on a welded steel frame with a powder-coated finish that's meant to resist corrosion. It rolls on 10-inch premium pneumatic tires, so moving it around the yard is pretty easy, even over gravel. But some users find it a bit bulky at 61 pounds. This beast packs a 208cc CRX engine. It really goes hard, delivering 3,400 PSI and 2.5 GPM. And it features an OEM Technologies axial cam pump that's maintenance-free with a thermal relief valve to prevent overheating. It comes with a 25-foot high-pressure hose that resists kinks and abrasion. The CRX engine starts easily, which is always a big plus with gas units. Many owners highlight its effectiveness on tough driveway stains. However, some have noted concerns about the durability of the hose. At $379, you're getting serious gas power for those heavy-duty jobs. Sticking with gas, but wanting to stick with a brand that feels polished, we move to the Westinghouse WPX3200. It sports a tough steel frame and rolls on 12-inch high-profile, never-flat wheels, which just makes sense for uneven terrain. Users often mention it's relatively light at 63 pounds and super easy to maneuver. And it comes with a heavy-duty 212cc 4-stroke Westinghouse OHV engine that just starts right up on the first hole, which is always a good sign. This thing delivers a solid 3,200 PSI and 2.5 GPM. It includes a half-gallon onboard soap tank for detergents and a 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose with a lightweight spray gun. What makes this interesting is its consistent performance and reliability, earning high marks from almost 18,000 global ratings. Many rave about its sheer cleaning power, even being gentle enough for lanai screens while still blasting away driveway crud. A common suggestion is to zip tie the pressure hose away from the hot exhaust. At $329, this thing is a beast for the price. A safe pick if you want reliable gas power without breaking the bank. Now, if gas engines aren't your jam, and you're after something electric but still seriously powerful, the Greenworks Pro brushless 3,000 PSI model just makes sense. It's built with a rugged steel frame and features foldable handles for easier storage. Users often highlight how quiet it is compared to gas models, which is a huge plus. So while it's not exactly compact, the foldable handle helps with storage in a cramped garage. It's powered by a 14-amp true brushless motor, generating 3,000 PSI and 2.0 GPM. This model also boasts jet flow technology, which delivers up to 50% more flow, reaching higher areas for quick rinsing. It comes with a rugged metal gun, a 25-foot UberFlex kink-resistant hose, and a long 35-foot GFCI power cord. The brushless motor is the real MVP here, delivering efficiency and maxing out a standard 110V plug.
Many folks say it's well worth the price for its quality and power. But actually, wait, some users have reported durability concerns, with units failing after minimal use. Currently on a limited time deal for $369.99, it's not cheap for an electric.
For the serious DIYer or even a prosumer who wants something truly stacked, the SIMPSON PS3228 PowerShot is where it goes hard. This machine feels like it means business, with a heavy-duty welded steel frame and a powder-coated finish for corrosion resistance. It rolls on 10-inch premium pneumatic tires, making it maneuverable even on rough terrain. It's a substantial 74.8 pounds, so it feels solid. Yet users report it's surprisingly smooth in operation. It features a Honda GX200 premium engine and a AAA industrial triplex plunger pump that delivers 3,300 PSI at 2.5 GPM. And it includes power boost technology for even higher pressure right at the nozzle. It comes with a MoreFlex 5/16 by 25-foot high-pressure hose that's kink and abrasion resistant. The Honda GX200 engine is a legend for reliability and easy starts, often firing up on the first pull even after sitting for ages. Owners consistently praise its ability to really clean concrete and handle tough stains.
And that wraps up the top 5 best power washers for driveways. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.